The Revlon One-Step Dryer and Volumizer Brush. This is definitely one of my go-to hair tools. I've had it now for a while just because it makes my hair look so shiny and like I just had a blowout. And I've never been one to be good at using both a hair dryer and a round brush at the same time. So you have your different settings down there, your cool and your heat, and then you have the barrel here. So you just wrap your hair around it and you blow dry it down just like you're brushing your hair. You can kind of style it as you want. It gives me great volume, and I just think that it reduces the frizz, especially on my ends. I don't have them kind of blowing outwardly. They can be nice and smooth and tucked underneath. So overall, the design is really great for detangling and just controlling the way that you're blowing out your hair. It uses ceramic coating to even heat distribution. So overall, it's a great tool and I highly recommend it.